at that one.
Oh my god, what is that?
That's what we're gonna eat.
Is that a fish head?
Yeah.
These pots are huge.
Tagutungan or linarang. Larang is a dish, a way of cooking.
Can you pronounce it again?
Larang.
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 Okay.
With tagutungan. Tagutungan is a porcupine fish.
Porcupine fish?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Aren't they poisonous?
Oh, no.
No?
They belong to the same family with the puffer fish, which is poisonous, but porcupine fish is not.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Good to know. Wow, look at this, the size of these pots.
Yeah.
This name is Carinderia in the Paso neighborhood of Cebu City is incredibly popular with locals, particularly with fishermen from nearby fish markets during their breaks. Even with 3 large woks, they often sell out completely by noon.
This one is tagutungan.
Tagutungan?
Tagutungan.
That's the fish? So what else do you have in there?
We've got tomatoes. We've got insides.
Ooh, wow. Ooh.
We've got lemongrass.
Yeah.
And also ginger.
Oh, I can see the eyes and everything.
Yeah, it's like a party.
This one's not poisonous at all.
Not poisonous.
Okay, good, excellent.
So you better try the soup first.
It's gonna be hot, eh? It's just straight out of that big pot.
Yeah.
A little bit spicy.
Yeah. It
Yeah,
goes right into your throat.
I wasn't expecting spice in this. A little bit sweet, you can taste the tomato in there. Very rich in flavor.
Well, you gotta kiss it first, just
You
for
gotta kiss it first.
appreciation. So everything that's soft in there could be eaten.
Everything that's soft can be eaten. The chin here looks like it's kind of soft. Oh god, this is real messy.
And you can just put your bones in here.
It's like a typical white fish. These look like kidneys. The kidneys, right?
Liver.
Liver, okay, close. Very soft and like, it's almost like jelly. Like any Asians, we love eating the eye of the fish. Oh my god, the eyes are so big. It's kind of weird.
Weird.
I don't know if I'm a big fan of eating fish eyes. So I've seen these machines almost everywhere.
Serve the same purpose as well.
Which
Give you
is
cold water.
Oh, cold water. Oh, these are like water dispensers.
1 peso coin and you've got your water.
Ah, it's clean fresh water.
Yes.
Ah.
And then what you do after is you spin it and put a hole at the bottom.
Oh, whoa. You just suck it out.
Drop your peso.
Oh, shit. How does it know when to stop?
Oh, it doesn't stop.
Oh, okay.
It does stop. It just stops on its own. Put a hole at the bottom using your teeth. You guys like.
So weird.
Next up, we headed over to the Carbon Market, a bustling wet and dry market in downtown Cebu City, selling everything you can possibly imagine.
Tobacco leaves?
Yes, tobacco leaves, and this is a tree from, I don't know the name of the tree, but
Is it popular here in
this
Philippines?
one is popular.
Ah.
It's a organic cigarette.
So they sell the cigarettes right next to fish.
Yeah, they sell everything right next to anything that's available.
So that bottle there, that's a coconut wine.
Coconut wine?
It's very strong.
Nah, it's not
No?
strong.
How do they make it?
They don't make it. They just get it from a coconut tree,
Ah,
and they cut the sap, and then the droplets of the sap becomes the wine. And then afterwards, you can drink it. Cheers. You can drink more.
it's not very strong.
Not strong.
It's like coconut beer.
They actually add some soft drinks in it to add the fizzle.
Yeah, it's a fizzy. I can taste all the fizziness. Not bad.
You can finish that. Woo! Video. Lamat!
What is it?
It's a puto.
Put
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
And then with a drink of the gods.
Why is it purple?
They add food coloring in it.
Food color. Wow, look at this guy go. What is that?
You can try it.
Try it. Okay, it's a surprise.
Just try a little.
It's coffee?
Nah, it's not coffee.
What is this?
So that's a drink of the gods.
Why do you call it the drink of the gods?
In Mexico, they call it the drink, the food for the gods.
Ah,
Cocoa is used,
okay.
it has a lot of medicinal properties.
Yeah, cocoa.
So,
Like from the cocoa beans.
yes.
What is that?
It's muscovado sugar. It's powdered sugar.
Powdered
unrefined.
sugar. Oh, why is it brown? This is how it looks.
That's how it looks.
So do you add it on top?
Yes.
Okay. How much? Like a lot?
A lot. Here.
Wow. That's a lot of sugar.
And then
What the? Oh my god. What is happening?
it's melting.
So this has sticky rice, cocoa, and sugar.
Yes.
It doesn't look the most appealing. It's like a little black sludge. It's really sweet. Really sweet. Not bad, yeah. I like it.
It is good.
Yeah, it's good. Doesn't look good, but it tastes good. So you really like this because of your dad?
Yeah, my dad loved it. And then he's got diabetes as well. Well,
I can see why. It's a lot of
I think
sugar.
he doesn't regret eating
Yeah.
it. Very good.
And our stop, Manila Food Shop. Oh, thank God they have aircon here. Alright, where did Vincent go? Ah, there he is. Alright, nice. Right outside the aircon. We're here to try out this beautiful looking thing. What is it?
It's called halo halo.
Halo halo, which means
mix.
mix. So what's mixed in here?
Cornflakes, ice cream, nata de coco, jelly is, corn, jackfruit, banana, leche
Wow.
flan, jelly is, pistico, milk, ice, and that's it.
That's a lot of things
Yes,
in
there's
one.
a lot of things in one.
What's the purple stuff? Why is the ice cream purple?
So the ice cream is called ube.
Ube.
Yes, ube ice cream. Eat this one, we have to mix everything up.
Mix everything. Okay. You can do that. I don't know how to do this.
No, you're gonna help me.
Okay.
That's the fun part. So
What do I gotta do?
mix everything up.
Oh God. Oh my God.
So the reason why we mix everything up is because we want everyone to be able to eat the same taste. That's why they have a plate at the bottom
To catch
everything.
Right. Gotcha. It's like being a kid.
Yeah, it's like play with your food. Okay, that's it.
So this is kind of like Filipino culture, just
Yeah,
a mix of
It's a
everything.
mix of everything.
It's basically like shaved ice. You can taste the cornflakes in there. It's like crunchy. It really is a mix of everything. It's ice cream in there as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. So this idea is to mix all these things together.
Nobody knows who started halo halo. We had this one. It's because it's hot in the Philippines.
Yep, very hot.
And number two is that we're into sweets.
Sweet, okay.
Anything you mix in there, it's gonna be sweet. You haven't been in the Philippines if you haven't tried halo halo.
That's the end of the food tour. I'm really full, thank you. We tried a lot of very unique Filipino style food in a lot of local restaurants that I would not have found.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
having us as well.
Thank you.